Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Remove the small mechanical key from the Golf 7 fob by sliding the release. Do it firmly but controlled. Once the blade is out, use a thin flat screwdriver or plastic pry tool to separate the fob halves at the seam. This exposes the battery compartment. Make sure you note the battery orientation before removing anything. This saves time later. While opening, keep clips aligned and avoid bending the PCB. Gentle pressure prevents broken plastic and ensures proper reassembly. Once the fob is open, you lift the old CR 2032 out with a fingernail or plastic tool. Avoid metal contact with the PCB pads. You should clean the contact surfaces using a small amount of isopropyl alcohol on a cotton swab. This improves conductivity and reduces intermittent failures. Insert the new battery with the plus side oriented the same way the old one was. Press the metal spring or clip so it snaps into place and makes firm contact. Make sure nothing obstructs the rubber buttons before closing. After seating the new battery, align the two fob halves and press evenly until all clips click. Do not force one side only. You then test the remote from a few meters away. Try lock, unlock, and the trunk release to confirm range and function. If the fob still fails, first reopen and verify battery orientation and clean contacts. Corrosion or emaciated clip is the common culprit. If that fails, perform a simple resync by pressing lock then unlock, or consult dealer procedures. This resolves most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.